Got my 08 2500 6.7 Mega. So we did have to do some light trimming right there. And I would say the gaps may be lightly bigger than the regular one. But it fit great. Still have this panel out. I just ordered the cigarette lighter plug. Was able to put caps on. See if I can show this cap. Yep. And my idiot hit it with Sharpie. Super fucking satisfied. Love it already. Alright. 08 Dodge Ram 2500 6.7 MegaCab. I'm going to show you. Swapping out our late model 3rd gen jump seat to a Chevy Tahoe jump seat. This one to go over how much easier this one was to mount than the ones I've seen on YouTube. So mine came with the 4-post on it. Sorry, it's getting a little fuzzy. So I literally tapped the bracket that holds the original jump seat in, let the bolt thread directly into it. Go here in the back, kicker all day. Right, and then I put a small bracket. And this is the, let me see if I show it right here, the seatbelt hole. So I just had to take the seatbelts off. The new jump seat already has seatbelt attached to it. So, and then once again, drilled the hole just small enough to where the bolt would tap into the bracket. So no nut was needed. And then if I can show it to you on that side, yep, there you go. Yep, 2 brackets on the back, tap the front. You're looking good. Let me get the, let me wire up the cigarette lighter and let you know how I think about it here in a minute. Yeah, because the other video I saw on YouTube didn't have this compartment in it, so it made it a lot harder to mount. We do. Oh, fuck. So I ended up putting a new foam pad in this seat. I know the leather looks like shit, but I'm getting new seats soon. I redid the heated seat pad underneath it because it had a short. And now I'm tapping the frame because I'm getting rid of my fucking Dodge Ram jump seat. We're going to I think it's like a 18 Chevy Tahoe, the police center jump seat, which has a wireless charger built in there. Get some extra cup holders now. I still get my lower, let's see if it'll open. Yep, my lower storage box. So making it happen.